In this video, I'm going to install RStudio. If you would like to see how this is done, continue to watch. Come along with me. RStudio is an overlay for the R statistical software package. And this overlay is significant in terms of making R much more user-friendly. So I never use R just by itself. I always use RStudio. RStudio is going to run R within the RStudio overlay. But I will always open up RStudio and then run R that way, simply because I like user-friendly. So to install RStudio, first of all, we need to download the software. So I am going to search on RStudio, and here it is. You should see RStudio. Notice it's open source. Once I click on RStudio, then I can click on Download RStudio. And I like free, so I'm going to come over here to the RStudio desktop and click to download free RStudio. This will take me to a variety of possible platforms, including Windows, Mac, Ubuntu, Fedora, which those are Linux installations. I'm going to click on Windows because that is what I have. And I'm going to wait while RStudio downloads. It's an 85.8 megabyte program, at least this version of it is. It's downloaded for me. So I'm going to go ahead and open my download folder. First, I'm going to open File Explorer, then open Downloads. I'm going to find RStudio and double click on it. And so now I have an RStudio setup wizard, and I'm going to accept the defaults for storage location, the menu folder. I'm going to click Install and wait while RStudio installs. This could take a few minutes. Okay, RStudio has finished installing, so I'm going to click the Finish button. And if I go look at my programs now, I should find an RStudio folder with RStudio in it. Let me show you what the RStudio icon looks like. It looks like this. What I did is I created a shortcut to the program, and here's the icon. If I were to double click that icon, RStudio has loaded, and this is what it looks like. Over here, we actually see R. This is R running under RStudio. In another video, I will go through the various windows and elements of RStudio. But as for installing it, I'm done. If I want to quit RStudio, I can quit it as I quit all of my Windows programs. Just click on the X in the upper right. And that's all there is to it.